So guys, I just got this from Amazon. I noticed that there was a few negative reviews on it, and I wanted to do an unboxing and tell you honestly, my honest opinion, and I'm not gonna lie to you. Really? That is totally awesome. Sometimes people and pictures do not give you an accurate description. This is just absolutely nice. I have the iWatch 7 series, and this band is more than I was expecting. It's double stitched here. This right here that goes into the iWatch is very distinct. It's very thick, meaning it's going to fit there perfectly. It has the Velcro here so you can adjust it. Not kidding around. This is nice. This is quality. Now, I noticed that someone had smashed it here. They hit it here, and there's a pin in here, and it broke. This is not indestructible. As with any watch band or any watch, if you smack the crap out of it on a corner somewhere, it's going to give way. But that's the same thing with any link within your regular watch, because they're just pins in there. They must have really hit it hard, because this, I mean, look, I'm pulling on it, and it's not giving way. So this is high composite right here, and this isn't given. This is double stitching. Everything on it screams out quality. Let's put it on the watch, see what it looks like. Go like that. I think it's just absolutely tough is what I think. Slide this in there. Oh my goodness, is this nice. This is the, guys, I've had 2 or 3 of these watches, okay? This is just honestly the nicest band that I've ever owned right here. So it gives you an idea of what that looks like and how tough it is. I love this, the composite. I love the stitching here. I love Super Rugged series. I mean, I have no complaints whatsoever. I know I'm going to just enjoy this and enjoy this. I have never seen a nicer band on any iWatch ever. I mean, literally ever. And I've seen some chain link ones. I've seen the cloth ones. I've seen these. I mean, this thing is just insanely well built. You're not going to have any problems with it. Absolutely. If a person was going to complain about it, it would be right here initially. Right, this place right here, because the material is so good, it's going to take a little bit for it to lay down completely to get used to your wrist, if that makes any kind of sense. But that's not really a negative or a problem. It just says that they've made it correctly. And with all watch bands that are likened unto this, you're going to find that with all of them, because the material it's straight, and now it's going to be rolled across your wrist. So I hope you like it. I love my band. I don't know these people. I can't even pronounce their name. Look. I can't even pronounce their name, but they make one heck of a watch band. And I went through 80 pages to find a watch band that I really, really like. They come in different colors. You might want to give them a try. I give them 5 stars. Peace.